Hello everyone. Nice to meeting you all again. And today, this topic, whatever I am explaining, I am still learning. I am still practicing those things, and I am about to practice also. I am not perfect in the topic whatever today whatever I am dealing, because why every time I'm coming with the relationship topics, and this time I came with another interesting topic, that is how we keep our brain in a best possible way. And every time for me, what is happening is every time we are getting tons of information from the outside world, from the social media, from the Facebook, from the Instagram, from the newspapers, from all the places. I'm getting really lot of information, but I'm not practicing. I'm really overwhelmed with that information, and I feel myself completely drained of that information. So, what are the steps we need to take to come out of that overwhelming information and draining to your specific and the best possible lifestyle? And this will help in your relationships also, and it will make yourself completely confident, and it is completely practicable thing. And we need to shift our focus. And I got one best information from my mentor, that is whatever we do in our life, whether it is business, whether it is any family construction, or whether you want to be in career, you want to success in career, whatever it may be, 95% is mindset, 5% is strategies. This is mind blown for me, for from my mentor, and that is a new learning from me. And I am the learner of relationships and mindset related. So whatever I learned, I want to share you people to get more out of it. That is my intention to be part of these videos. Okay, coming to the topic. Today's topic is self care tips for dealing with negative news 24 by 7 media. How we can overcome this lot of mental issues I observed, I observed that the way now the society is completely shifting towards consumption of information, because all people have complete information, but it is completely overwhelmed and it is completely outburst. You if keep on taking that much of information, if you are not focusing on the implementation, it will lead to completely mental stress without our notice, because it is a type of addiction. The consumption is type of addiction. Here what I want to tell is, limit your news consumption and safeguard your mental health. The main thing is, if you keep on consuming the news, if you observe, there is some negative news also that will affect without your notice in your subconscious level. That will make you, without our notice, that will decrease your productivity, and that will decrease your emotional energy, and that will decrease without your notice, you are emotionally down. You don't feel that much energy while communicating or while you are working. That is one of the important damage will happen while consuming negative news. While speaking, if you speak negative, if you watch negative, if you hear negative from all the people, because negative news is the fastest way to spread, and it is like a air, it is like a water, it keep on spreading, and without our notice we keep on consuming that negative news. That is one of the thing we need to be careful about, this one. So limit yourself with that consumption of negative news. And main thing here is we need to prioritize our self care. Self care is one of the important thing, and practice, because of this consumption, we are not people. Some latest statistics shows the sleep quality is being decreased day by day. Because of decreasing of sleep quality, there is a decrease in their mental and emotional health. Because of mental and emotional health, they decrease health, they are getting lot of issues, mental issues, and that is also connected to health issues, long term health issues. If you don't take care about this one, it will affect one by one. Because if the thoughts are coming to our brain, it is negative, it spreads, our energy vibration become decreased, and our mental health issues are being increased, and it is connected to all the places in your life. If you watch the negative news, you attract negative things in your life without your notice. That is one of the important. Please take care, limit the news. Please take care the positive things in your life, and that will help you more in the relationship also. The one main thing I observed is how to express anger. How to express anger here. Journaling will reduce your anger and improve your overall mood and avoid negative influences. Becoming overwhelmed. These are the things we can reduce our angers as well. The way you deal with anger, the way you deal with your emotions is plays one of the important role. Because if you aware of your own emotions, if you aware of your own emotions, you can crack the success code in your life. The main thing is we need to aware of our own emotions, we need to go dig deeper inside what we are doing. That will help, the journaling will help more clarity on your anger as well. That is one of the important thing we need to consider. And here, practice energy work, protect your spirit, enhance your well-being in challenge times. Protect your energy in your challenge. If you protect in the dangerous conditions in your life, you can get whatever you want to achieve. Because toughest periods of time will make you or break you. If you are completely mindful and calm and have very much clarity in your tough times, believe me, you can handle any situation in your life. That is the mental muscle we need to practice. And practice kindness and supporting others plays. If you practice kindness towards your family members, towards your relationships, you can observe your mental health also being increase it day by day, and that will help you a lot in your relationship. That is one of the important thing we need to consider. And next, focus on meaningful self-care, cultivate positivity in the counter attack of negativity in this world. You got it? Here, focus on self-care means we need to focus on our physical body. We need to focus on our mental health. We need to focus kindness. We need to focus on our emotional well-being. We need to focus on positive energy. If you focus on the positive energy, if you focus on kindness towards other, and limit yourself from the negative news 24 by 7, whatever you are getting from that negative news, you can if you practice this, for my mentors tell, if you practice for 66 to 90 days, you are auto reprogrammed towards that habit. The consistency here plays one of the important role to make in your things whatever you want to achieve in your life. Nowadays, this negative news, negative things, because for 100 positive things happen to you in your life, if any small negative happen, that will make you completely disturbed, even though you have 100 positive news. That is the power of negativity. So be careful on this one. And last one, take time yourself, whether through relaxing exercise connected to your loved ones. Because nowadays after nowadays in this completely after this much technology we are having in our life, we are not giving time, we are not giving some a certain period of time to our loved ones. We are not giving time to ourselves, we are not giving time to our loved ones. That is one of the important thing we need to consider. These are the things, if you notice these are the things, it will help you in your best lifestyle, best form of your lifestyle. And it will make your emotional energy high, and your mindset also being increased if you practice these best practices of your life from this, and eradicate from the negativity. These are the things I learned, and I supposed to learn actually. Whatever I am telling, I want to learn from these things as well. I'm practicing these things as well. And thank you very much for the people whoever watching me my videos, and lot of people are encouraging me as well. And thank you all, thank you once again. It means a lot to me. And I share all the details in the below, and I can learn from you people as well. And I'm giving absolute one-to-one free clarity calls to learn from you people. And I want to interact if anybody are dealing with any relationship issues as well. That is one of the main thing we need to focus on, so that you can attract anything in your life. Thank you all, you people are really awesome. Thank you, bye.